Hi my friends, welcome back. In today's video I will be making this yummy recipe. It's nkwobi and abacha. I also added ugba to it. To make this recipe I will be using cow leg. I've transferred it into a pot and added some water. I allowed it to boil up before I went ahead to season with some onion, some seasoning cube, some Cameroon pepper and salt. I'll give this a quick stir and cover and allow it to continue to cook. Right here I have habanero pepper, yellow and red, and crayfish. I've gone ahead to ground it. This has been cooking for a while now and it's almost done. Here I have ehuru. You have to burn it up and blend it. In the pot right now, I'm going ahead to make the mixture. If you do not have ungu, you can make your own mixture. I have palm oil and what I'm adding right now is called ungu potash. You can get this from plantain bark or kernel extract. So what I've added is completely healthy, better than the potash or akanwa that you use. So you use this and then you go ahead to mix it to get this thick consistency. Right now I'm adding the abacha. If you notice, I haven't added any salt or seasoning at this point. This is because I don't want it to be runny, okay, or to make the salt break the consistency. I don't know how to explain it, but this is the process with which I went. Even if I were to season this from here on, the salt will be almost the last thing. So I've added the ugba and mixed it properly to combine. Right now I've transferred in the crayfish, the ehuru. I'm adding ogiri right now and I will mix it. Guys, ogiri is completely optional. If you don't like it, do well to take it out, but I promise you it elevates the taste. Right now I'm adding the cow legs, okay? So I will add these and continue to mix it. From this point here on, you want to test these and adjust the taste. I'll add the crayfish, add some more Cameroon pepper and stock cube. And lastly, I will add the salt. And then I'll mix this properly. If it needs any more adjustment from now, then I will adjust. If it doesn't, then I won't add anything anymore. I'm adding garden egg for this. Guys, a very good substitute. If you do not have garden egg, you can use cucumber. Just split it in two and take out the middle. It gives you the same crunch that garden egg gives. Here right now, I've added utazi. It's a bitter leaf and it enhances the taste and elevates it to 100. I've added it and I'll mix it. Have you been watching until now? Why don't you click the subscribe button, turn up your notification so that you'll be alerted whenever I drop a video. I've added some more onion. I'll mix this and serve it up. Guys, this will go well with palm wine. But if you don't have palm wine, enjoy it with water. Thank you for watching until now. My old subscribers, you are the real MVPs. If you are new, thanks for clicking on this video. Please subscribe and see you later.